Why did Tesla did not include the CrabWalk feature on the Cybertruck? Tesla Cybertruck engineer revealed the company considered equipping the all-electric pickup with the CrabWalk feature that General Motors has flexed with its Hummer EV, but it did not seem useful. In a perfect world, CrabWalk would be an ideal choice for situations like parallel parking. However, it is only operable at incredibly low speeds. It can be activated at up to 1.2 miles per hour, and its use case, while unique, is extremely limited. The automaker considered using the feature for the pickup. However, after some testing and development, they considered it as a clunky, awkward experience. It seems Tesla was attempting to consider it as an option, and it was even spotted testing the feature outside of Giga Texas at one point. Ultimately, it seems as if the Cybertruck was not in need of what appeared to be something that would not add much to the experience.